Hey everyone, Squarespace doesn't have a built-in table block, so there are a few different ways to add one depending on what you need. Here are the main methods in order from most popular to least. The first method is using an HTML table generator with a code block. Head to an HTML table generator website and build your table by entering your data. Check the Generate CSS checkbox so you get both the HTML and CSS code. Copy the generated HTML code from the top of the page. Now go to your Squarespace page, click Add Block or click an insert point. Scroll to the bottom of the Blocks menu and choose Code. Click the pencil icon to open the block editor. Remove the default text, ensure display source is unchecked, then paste in your code. Your page should update automatically with your table. Click Apply to save. This method gives you the most control and works great for most use cases. If that feels too technical, the next method is using a Markdown block. Click Add Block and search for Markdown. Write your table using Markdown table syntax, for example, pipe symbols for columns, dashes for the separator row, then your data rows. Save the block. When you view the published page, Squarespace automatically converts the Markdown into an HTML table. Squarespace tends to merge Markdown blocks if they're placed nearby, so add a spacer or line block between them if you're using multiple tables. Another option is embedding a Google Sheets table. Create your table in Google Sheets, click File, then Share, then Publish to Web. Select Entire Document or just a sheet, then hit Publish. Copy the iframe code Google gives you. Back in Squarespace, add a code block and paste the iframe code, then click Apply. The embedded Google Sheet appears as an interactive table on your page. This method is ideal if you need to update your table regularly. Changes in the Google Sheet will reflect on your site after refreshing. If you're comfortable with AI, you can use ChatGPT to generate HTML code. Copy your data from Excel, Google Sheets, or Notion, then paste it into ChatGPT. Prompt ChatGPT to create the HTML code for your table, then copy the entire HTML snippet. Paste the result into a code block on your Squarespace page. The table appears fully styled with embedded CSS. The last method is creating your table as an image in Canva. Create a design in Canva with a custom size like 2000 by 1500 pixels. Design your table with the layout, colors, and fonts you want, then export it as a PNG or JPEG. Upload the image using an image block in Squarespace. This method is quick, but not ideal for mobile or accessibility. For most users, the HTML generator method offers the best balance of ease and customization. If you need frequent updates, go with Google Sheets.